The next section we're going to be working on is the Our Focus section, which is this section right here. And we're going to go ahead and you'll see the connection between what you're looking at here. Features is this right here. So we're going to call this for us how it works. And for this is the subtitle right here, and the subtitle I've pre-written is going to be this. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that in there. How to build easy, do-it-yourself, responsive, and beautiful websites in a couple hours. And that describes our website, what we're doing for my purposes. And this can be anything you want. You can be what I do, it can be the title of your services, and then kind of a subtitle of what you're doing. And then our focus widgets, these are the widgets. You go ahead and customize them by putting in, again, we're going to be mimicking these three. So I already deleted one. You can just delete them by hitting remove, and that will delete the whole widget. But don't worry, if you delete them all by accident, you can always add the widget back. So don't worry, there's no real mistakes here. So for our purposes, we're going to work on this first one, WooCommerce, and we want it to look like this. So we're going to go ahead and cut and paste this one, all this stuff. So we're going to call it introduction, and then you'll see it change, introduction, and then all this content is this stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and put in all this, cut and paste. Now you can see why I pre-wrote and did all the content gathering. But like I said, you can do it right now on the fly. This is just for the purpose of learning what's going on. Now, the link, the next section is link. This is when you hit this, what does it take you to? So for our purposes, I preset this to be my YouTube channel as my link. So I cut and pasted that in there. And my image, I'm going to replace this with a different image. I'm going to upload files, select file, and we're going to go back to artwork and the focus widget icons. And we're going to go ahead and put that in there. And there it is. And I'm going to insert. Now again, the 150 by 150. I put all these in the resources for this theme under the David Miller. You can see the 150 by 150 pixels. So all the sizes. So like I said, if you want to go collect all the content for all the sections, super easy to do that. I've provided that info, but we've uploaded it. Let's insert into post and let's hit apply. And there it is. There's the logo. So that's the one. So let's hit save and publish just so we don't lose our work. And we're going to go to the next widget, which is right here. Select that. And we're going to do the exact same thing. So it's really just kind of a repeat. So we're going to call it this, retitle it to whatever you want. You'll see it change. There you go. Then we're going to want to change that content. So right there. And cut and paste it, put it in. So this is where it kind of takes some time because you got to have all your stuff organized, or if you're doing it right now on the fly, just have patience, create the links, create the images. So now we're going to go same thing, upload image. Don't hit remove, that will remove the whole widget. Just hit upload image and you'll replace this one out. And then go to upload files, select, and the next one we're doing is video focus. There it is. Insert. And there it is right there, and I want to apply it, and it'll make the change. There we go. So one more left. Save and publish. And one more widget left. So for this title, it is Save Money in Hosting on Domains. Paste that guy. Put this stuff in here in the content. Go. The link is going to be this guy. And now finally the upload. Upload, select file, money focus icon. I just had a little money sign. And insert into post and apply. There we go. And then save and publish. And we can go back to the website and just check to see. Let's refresh this and see how it looks. So now we've got our logo. And again, this bar won't be here for everyone else. And if you want to get rid of it, you can always log out. But I'm not going to do that because we're still working. But you go to how it works. There's our new focus section. Little brief descriptions. So on our way. Very good. And that's the focus section content. So we're moving right along. We've got a couple more sections to go, but that was our focus section. So now we'll do the About Us section.